Canada Ultra Hot Mega Link. Put 100 bucks in, 10 cent D down, $2 a spin. We hit free games. Let's get it. $11. That one paid 8. Oh, let's get some re-triggers. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Come on, fireballs. 2 more. There we go. Got the bonus in the bonus. Woohoo! Come on, drop some writing for me. Got our Ultra Hot up there. We need 5 more to unlock that. Come on, just give us 1. Oh, you bastard. Get all that up there. Seriously, what's with these weird totals? 24, 44, 64. What is this shit? Alright, we're up to 50 bucks. Let's do that again. Come on, re-triggers. Last spin. Almost. Alright, 60 bucks. Not bad, we'll take it. Alright, 149. We'll play it down to 125 with the next bonus. Alright, we're at Lightning Link Happy Lantern. Put 100 bucks in there. We're gonna do some live play. We're gonna do nickel Dina, $1.25 a bit. Spin, start it off. There we go. Let's keep the volume up. These Lightning Links have the biggest jackpots in the whole casino, 29,000. Haven't been hitting forever. There we go. Got our first free games. Right or left? We'll let fate decide. Alright. Fuck fate. They got the shittiest one. Alright, let's see what we get out of it. Oh, almost a re-trigger. Right. Come on, baby, something. The world's crappiest bonus. Yep. Right. Put myself out of that misery. Jesus, that was bad. Yeah. Wondering if we should get off and get on that machine right there. That's the one we played a couple weeks ago. The other Happy Lantern, and the major was maxed out then, and it's still maxed out now. We played that 2 weeks ago, I think. I don't know if it's still maxed out from then or somebody hit it. As you can see, nobody's hitting these machines with $29,000 jackpots. Alright. That line right there is better than our old bonus that we got. Oh, by the way, we cashed out 165 on that Ultra Hot Mega Link. We hit a line hit, and I decided to cash out. And then we played some Dancing Drums Explosions, and we lost a hundo there. So I think we're around even coming into this machine so far. And we ran into Robert Ferguson again. He was here for a short time. He played his free play, won a little bit of cash, and hit the road. Smart man. Didn't stick around to lose it. Well, wondering if we should pick up the bet or not. Yeah, let's go. Need more, you bastard. Come on. Ding dong. Yeah, I don't know. Something's telling me to jump on that other machine. Well, we got jacks. Don't pay much. Yeah, fuck it. Let's go to the next machine. 1 second. Alright, we jumped over to this one with the maxed out major. That other machine sucked. There we go. See? Always follow your gut feeling. Gambling 101. Let's see if we can get a... What did we hit on that one? 60 nickels? We won $3? Alright, let's go to the right again. We can't get 2 shitty ones in a row, can we? Alright, much better. 9 with 100. Come on, fill up the whole screen. Ah. Alright, one decent line hit. $5. Scoot to the left, Wilds. Oh, I needed to go to the left. Alright, that's a nice hit of $22. Re-trigger! Yay! Let's take it. Woo! Another 9 more. Beautiful. We're up to almost $40. Come on, Wilds. All 4 rolls, please. I never had that before. Come on, I'm gonna rub it like the crazy people do. Come on, there we go. See, it works, rubbing it. Oh, I should have been crazy a long time ago. I would have been rich. $18.50 on that one. What do we got? 3 more spins after this one? Alright, come on, I'll try it again. Come on. Ah, last spin. Man. What do we get? 140? That's almost $70. Not bad. Alright, we're showing a profit. 116. Not bad for a $1.25 bet. Come on, I want that Hold'em spin one time. What were you guys last spin? Alright, let's go up to 250 a spin. Damn, the music's so loud over here. on, hold them, spin. Crazy people rub. It's working. What do we get? $8. I think Crazy People Rubs work at fucking 4 o'clock in the morning. Come on, hold them, spin. We want to land that major. It's begging to get hit by me. Let's go 375. Eee. Wow, look at that ball. God damn it. Just tease the shit out of you. Alright, come on. Crazy People times again. Come on. Alright, a few more spins, then we're gonna get off. $375 isn't getting us anywhere. Let's go back to cheap. Alright, last spin. Alright. One more real quick. Alright, that's it. That was Lightning Link. Happy Lantern. I'm not so happy. We lost 50 on it. Alright, we're at Wonder 4. We put $200 in this machine and we were betting $660 a spin. We hit our first bonus at Buffalo Gold. So let's get it. As usual. Alright, come on. Alright. Retrigger's nice. Let's get a bunch more. Please. Yeah. Alright, that's one. Yeah, come on, one more coin. That's $3. One more, there we go, that's what we need. Beautiful. 8 more games. Come on, coins in Buffalo, everything gold, come on. Boom. Alright, so third one. That's $12 right there. I would really love 3 sunsets right now. That would be so sweet. Alright. We got the wolves all the way through. No multipliers though. Up to $31. A lot of teas. One here, one there. Son of a bitch. Yeah, nothing but dead spins. Alright, that's the fourth one. Just took 16 spins. There we go. Finally a retrigger. Make up for all those dead spins that we had. Jesus Christ, 20 spins so far, only $33 on a $660 bet. Man, nothing. Needed a 10 up front or a stupid elk in the middle. Alright, another 5 games. Come on, get us 3 sunsets. One time. Alright, that's number 7 and 8 right there. So we just got the Cougars. Got 5 spins left. Missing right there. That would be huge. That's $48 right there. Imagine 1 or 2 more here, or even a sunset with those 2. Wow. Alright, I got us even. That's $7.50 right there. Come on. Come on, either give me 3 sunsets or a bunch of coins. What a fucking bastard. God almighty, that was painful. We had 10 buffaloes too. Alright.